We're going to turn this fine, free piece of silver maple into a lovely Valentine's Day gift. Let's get after it. A rustic look here, so I'm going to use this handy dandy grinder. And these are a must. Okay, I have a little twist across this board and don't want to take a lot of thickness off, so I'm going to remove it with a planer. Like this. Okay, let's see how this looks. I would say that looks pretty good. I spared you a lot of sanding, and I notched out the wine holder. Came out pretty nice. Left that knot. Glass sits in there just fine. I didn't want to really just drill a hole. Anyway, I'm going to clamp this down and just jigsaw this in half. I could run it over a table saw, but I figured I'd just show you this, something different. And there you go. I'll sand these up. Type Bond 3 for wet applications. I'm going to set this aside, put a little weight on it, and we're back to the chopping board, charcuterie board, serving board. I'm going to leave this rustic. I kind of like the saw blade marks from the mill on there. Okay, so I just got done putting mineral oil on these. I want a little bit more protection, so I was going to put some paste wax on it. So, stick around. It's a fun little build. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Doesn't hurt to share it either. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to let this dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. And I'll do this one.